Hello, this is Dr. Indranil Ghosh Roy speaking from University of Warwick from the Department of Computer Science. I'm a scientist in this university doing research on cryptography and security, and also I'm an entrepreneur lead and CTO of a university spin-out company in UK. I did my master's from RCCIIT in 2003, and we were the first batch to obtain a degree from RCCIIT, and our stream was MCA. Followed by which I worked for a couple of years in industry, and followed by that I again joined a PhD program in Indian Statistical Institute in the computer science, and my specialization was cryptography. It was a very wonderful experience being a part of RCCIIT, which is equipped with a very lovable campus, wonderful canteen, wonderful library, wonderful faculty members and non-faculty members. In today's world, to get success, one key parameter is to get the right degree, and towards that RCCIIT is going to give you a very good kickstart. So I vouch for RCCIIT and wish you all the luck.
Hi, I am Devabrata Datta. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science, St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. I have done my MCA from RCCIIT, and really I feel proud to be one of the ex-students of the Department of Computer Application, RCCIIT. As far as my experience is concerned, I can assure you that the institute has got the proper infrastructure through which a student can join IT industry. It has got a very good faculty member, very friendly faculty member. The institute has got a wonderful laboratory facility and library facility as well. So if you're interested to join IT industry, and if you want to pursue MCA, RCCIIT is definitely a very good option. So I think you should grab this opportunity. Thank you and best of luck.
Hi, this is Kaustav and I'm from the very first batch of the MCA RCC. Right now I am in United States for the last 14 years and have been working as a director of software development in a product company and building a B2B platform in the construction industry. Whatever I've achieved so far in my career, a lot of credit goes to the MCA department of RCC. Their teaching quality is very high, as well as they have the great teaching staff, labs, and above all a placement cell which can get you a job from the campus. Many of us in our batch got a job from the campus even before our last semester. So if you want to build a career in computer science and want to pursue MCA, don't look any beyond than the MCA department of RCC. They are the best. Cheers and all the best for your future.
Hi guys, my name is Shubhayu Mukherjee and I have done my MCA from RCC Institute of Technology in the year 2003. I was in fact the first batch that came out of this college, and now I am the head of an IT operational unit in a large Scandinavian bank. I'm working out of Copenhagen, and here I stay with my wife and 2 daughters. I want to tell you that RCC Institute of Technology is a very good college to join. It has excellent faculty, a great infrastructure, and it enables you or gives you the platform to step into the corporate world. Along with that, you will also have the facilities to do extracurricular activities like table tennis, football, cricket, dramatics. So in overall, I would say RCC IIT has a great potential to put you in the right track. You will get the base and the foundation to step into this corporate world. I wish you all the best, and I hope that you rise and shine in life. Thank you and bye-bye.
Hello everyone, this is Deban and I have passed MCA from RCC Institute of Technology in the year of 2013, and currently I am working for Accenture USA and I am here for the last 6 years. I am recording this video just to thank all RCC professors and staffs who helped us and who helped me for whatever I am doing and whatever I have been, whatever I have achieved. Thanks a lot to everyone. Thanks a lot all of my teachers and all of my professors. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.
Hey folks, this is Shubhro Jyoti Kaur, ex-RCC IIT student. I passed out MCA in 2003, which was eventually the first batch passed out from this college. Currently I am working in Tata Consultancy Services and last 9 years I am deputed in UK. Here I am working as an enterprise architect in a utility company. I want to tell you that RCC IIT is one of the best colleges for pursuing MCA or any engineering degree. The college loads with knowledgeable and approachable professors who will help you every time when you need. The college has a great computer lab, library, individual placement cell for each stream. The professor of RCC IIT always focus on elevate your interpersonal skill, communication skill and problem solving attitude, which will help and enrich the student in the next phase of their career. RCC IIT also arranging training and the certification program and internship for external experience. Finally, I can say that you can bank on RCC IIT college for pursuing engineering or MCA degree and be the future ready. I am thankful for my college and always cherish my memory with it. Wish you all the best for your future. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good luck. Cheers. Bye. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and doing well. I am Rohit Sarkar from MCA department of RCC IIT. I have completed my post-graduation in this year and today I will be sharing some of my RCC experience with you all. RCC is much beyond an institution, it's a culture of excellence and enrichments. RCC gave me a platform that I will cherish always. This institution is being taught by some of the very finest teachers and I am very grateful to have them as my faculty members. RCC helped us by providing trainings that were all focused on modern technologies and domains. Besides studies, RCC also focused on other developments like Cultural Fest, Annual Fest, Tech Fest, Sports Fest. RCC also focused on having good campus placement every year. Besides campus placement, this institute helped the student by providing internship with various companies which helped us to get insights to the industry level working procedures. Overall, I can say that the journey of MCA in RCC IIT is one of the best I ever had. The friends I made, the teacher I taught by, the memories that were made, the experience I had in RCC IIT will always be a part of me. Thank you for everything, RCC IIT.
Hi everyone, my name is Rohit Mondol. I am a pass out student of 2020 batch from MC department RCC IIT. I am working as a trainee in US based IT company and also received offer letter from this company in my last semester. My overall experience in MCA was excellent. As a student of MC department, I can surely say that we had most experienced and helpful faculty. They will give you full support in your study and also in career development. Our department has smart classroom and lab facility. Like all other colleges, we have a central placement cell for all departments, but our department also provides placement facility separately. Finally, I like to suggest you guys to come and be a part of the MCA.
Hello everyone, myself Dipan Sharma. I am student of MCA pass out batch of 2020 of RCC IIT. As I belong from MCA department, I can surely say that faculties here are very helpful and cooperative. They always encourage the student in every situation and helps to create a positive learning environment. And the infrastructure and lab facilities of our department is also very good. The most important point to be noted is that apart from the central placement cell like every colleges have, MCA department of our college provides their own placement, and I am one of those examples who have got placed through our own department placement program. I first joined as an intern and then I got offered as a permanent employee of a California-based IT company, and I am really happy and satisfied with my job role. I will always be grateful to my MCA department.
Hello everyone, this is Vidhi Mehta and I have completed my post-graduation in MCA from RCC IIT in the year 2021, and currently I am working for Tata Consultancy Services. I am glad to record this video clip as a token of gratitude. My overall experience till date has been amazing, starting from college infrastructure to providing me with a number of opportunities to grow and explore my skills, to emphasis on sports along with education has always helped me a lot throughout my entire journey. Lastly, a big thank you to all my college professors and faculties for making me what I am today. Thank you.